Hello, I am here to review the SteelSeries Apex 5. I've had it for a couple of years now, and I have switched keyboards, but I would like to give a review. And I have some thoughts. Number one, the connectivity mode, I'm not a fan of. It is only USB, and there's no other type of way to connect it. And also, it has blue switches, and nothing wrong with blue switch lovers. It's just the noise ain't for me, you know. And also, the wrist rest. When I think of wrist rest, I think of nice and soft, not. So yeah, and then also, I went to wash my keyboard and my keycaps, and I did everything right, but when I went to put these in the water and took them out, it kind of like washed away the black, so now it has just like this rough texture. And my W key, it doesn't work, and you maybe like just switch out the switch, but I cannot do that because it is not hot swappable. If you want to buy it, go ahead, but I would not waste your money on that. Last time I checked, this was like $100. You can get so many better keyboards, kind of like this one. Not trying to advertise anything, but this one was $90. It's the Lua F99 Pro. It has multi-connectivity, USB-C. Sounds so much better. And, you know, just everything else. And it's hot swappable. So, buy this if you want to, but please don't waste your money.
Great keyboard all around. Sounds great. Great response. Comes with software. You can customize a lot with SteelSeries GG. Comes with a removable wrist rest. it's magnetic. It's a bit steep when you have the feet up, so you might just have to get used to it. But you can customize everything. There's a little LED panel. This, just volume. It's great. I love it. All around great keyboard.
I don't know much about electronics, I will admit, but my husband sent me up a gaming PC because I'm a gamer and I was on Xbox, but now I'm on PC and I absolutely love this keyboard. The keys are so comfortable to use. I love that it lights up. You can change the colors. I absolutely love this keyboard and setup. It's adorable. You won't be disappointed.
I have bad news. His brain is really bad.
Quandale, how bad is it?
It's really bad. He usually has 4 melon seeds. Now he's left with just 1 melon seed.
Oh no, only 1 melon seed. That's really bad. Don't worry, brother!
Let's flip.